Alright, finally organized my bench, and it's a lot neater than before, that's for sure. Um, Basically, the table was just filled with junk. Couldn't work on anything, couldn't do anything with it, so I decided to just go ahead and start cleaning it. So, main things that I did was I built this little wall here so that I can put my other rifles up as well as my helicopter, so that way they're not on the table. Um, so there's a quick view of everything. Um, just to kind of give you a quick tour here. This is our 3 helicopters. You can see them all there. The one on the right is my Blade SR, and then on the left is the Blade 400, and there's my son's 120 SR. And then continuing on from there, there's actually a Red Ryder BB gun, which is my youngest son's, and then there's a AK. Right next to that is the Classic Army LW RC, I believe, M6, and there is a SRC M4 right next to that. Then there's a couple pistols, 1911, CQB Master, M9, got your MP7, your L96. There is my youngest son's full drive Losi, and then there's my oldest's G36 Echo 1, the GNG, I believe it's GR15 blowback, and there's the Dboys Scar. There's the Daniel Defense M4, and the A&K Magpul Masada. And then going to the left is my Dremel, as well as 2 just cheapo kind of shotguns just to goof around with. So there's a quick tour of my clean table. I'll see you guys later.